Hi everyone, welcome to Ruby Tuesday. If you just hit the hashtag Ruby Tuesday on Instagram or YouTube, you will see all the Ruby Tuesday participants that are on Heather of Ruby&Pearlxo's team. And today is my day, and this is my project. I created 2 lace journals using antique French ephemera and also Heather's beautiful digitals. And let's see, which one do we want to look at first? Let's look at the pink one first. Put the blue one over there. This is all vintage laces. I think there's 2 different patterns on here. This is a vintage rhinestone clip-on earring. And this is the pink one. The other one is blue. Let's see. So everything in here is pink, a little bit of green, but mostly pink. And this is, in this pocket are just a couple of images. This one is a writing space. And I use so many of Heather's kits, I don't remember the names of all of them. I will call them out if I see them. But I actually use the Tim Holtz watercolor pencils to make this pink on this image. And I made another journaling card, and I put it in this up tuck. I do believe this is from the newest Wildflower kit. And this pocket has a card. A tag rather, that I created. And I just love this image. Her dress is gorgeous and it's pink. So it's a little journaling spot. Lots of places to write. And then on this little journaling card, I added some antique French ephemera along the side. Another journaling spot. And here is another little journaling spot. And then I love these images. I wish I could recall the kit. I'll try to find this kit for sure because it has a lot of beautiful images. And then it's just opened up on an antique French document, place where you can write or store things. This is one of my shabby chic fabric ribbons that I made a pocket with, just to put some color in there, and another journaling spot. I love this. It's so pretty. Probably my favorite page is right here. There's just a little card, another journaling spot. This is so pretty, this image. And then on some of the plainer places to write, I added torn book page at the bottom or top. And then here is a tracing paper pocket. I added a tag in. And then this corner tuck is holding a antique French letter from 1936. And it already had the 2 holes punched in, so I was really thinking it needed a ribbon. I just couldn't leave the holes. And then this belly band just has some book pages, antique French book pages. Great place to write on there. I also added some of that fabric ribbon. And then this pocket just holds some more book pages. And then this page I added some crochet trim and more of that torn book page. Makes it look so much older. And then here is another tag clipped in on an antique French document page. And then here is another tracing paper and some book pages. And this is from the new Wildflower kit. I love this page. It's so pretty. And then on this stringy ribbon here. So let's see. I learned a new way to get this. Wait, it goes this way. I'll get it yet. You do it that way. And then you do it that way. And you're bound to have the same size, if not close. So that is the pink one. There you go. Let's look at the blue one. I had so much fun creating these. It was just basically going through the digitals and picking out my favorite images and the colors that I wanted. That's how I create. This one also has a vintage rhinestone earring. I tell you, that sari ribbon sheds. And here's the back. This one in the front pocket is one of my favorite images with her hat. And then I took the watercolor pencils from Tim Holtz and I colored it blue, the flowers. And I just made a little booklet. Place to write or clip things. And this is French linen. I ordered it years ago and I only have a little piece left, the cover on this side. Here's the blue. A lot of original ephemera and Heather's cute pictures. Some ribbon. I like the way this was just a straight line, and then I added this raggedy edged piece and I loved it. It looks like the letter itself is raggedy, but it isn't. It's the side pocket here that I laid down. So you tell me in the comment which one is your favorite, the blue or the pink. That's what we'll call them. I love this image. So cute. And this is beautiful. Lots of places to write. And I just put this journaling card in here. Mademoiselle. And then this is one of Heather's tag kits, and I added this image. This one's in blue. And then here is an antique French letter. I just tied some ribbon on here. And I really enjoyed this. I'm going to be printing these envelopes. And they're just the perfect size. And I cut out, I didn't fussy cut too much, but these birds from one of Heather's kits. And then I aged it. But inside, I just have some of her images, her lady images. And then this is just a little booklet with that beautiful image on it. And then here is a tag that I created. And here are some more of Heather's tags. This is so pretty. And then another part of that French letter. And I happened to find the ribbon that matched that corner. Pretty blues. Pretty, pretty blues. I just love this image. It's so soft and feminine. And I added another French letter. I think this one doesn't have a date on it. But you get a lot of original ephemera in here. And here's that French linen. And there you go. That is the blue journal. Let me get rid of that stringy sari ribbon. It just keeps coming. I can't. Oh, goodness. Let me see. I don't think I tied that one really well. Okay, we're having fun. There we go. Hey, that turned out great. Okay, so there is my Ruby Tuesday project. 2 lace-covered journals, one in pink, one in blue. Let me know your favorite. And I hope that you enjoyed this and got some inspiration. And I will be back Friday, I hope. Take care, everyone, and thanks for watching.